Hello students, today's video lecture is based on class 11th maths, that is the lecture number 15 of chapter 1st. In previous video lecture we have started the exercise 1.4 and till the question number 3 we have solved it. But today we will start with question number 4. In question number 4 is given that if the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4, but in set B 3, 4, 5 and 6, and another set C have elements 5, 6, 7 and 8, and another set D which have the elements 7, 8, 9 and 10. So question asked to us, find these values A union B, second A union C, third B union C, and fourth B union D. Okay, now in this case write all the elements of set A, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Take the sign of union and then write the element of set B, that is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the answer will be those elements which are common in both sets. So we will write that element only one time because there should not be any repetition of a single element. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the answer for A union B. And now we can find the value of A union C. The set A have element 1, 2, 3, 4. And take the sign of union. Then write the elements of set C. There are 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now take all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the answer for this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now the third part is B union C. The elements of set B, that are 3, 4, 5, 6, and take the write the elements of set C, that are 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 5, 6 is common. So take 7 and 8. So write here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the answer. And the fourth part is B union D. So write the element of set B, that are 3, 4, 5 and 6. And now write the element of set D, 5, 6, element of set D, that are 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the answer is here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are no common elements, so we don't have need to take any problem. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the answer for this part. Okay, this is the solution of part first, second, third and fourth. Now part number 5th, 6th and 7th. Part number 5th. A union B union C. So in this part we can find this value A union B union C, that's equal to A union B we can find and then take the union of C. Now the union of A union B, that is 1 2 3 4, and here the 3 4 is common, and then we have to write 5 and 6 only. So here will be in this A union B 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and take the part C, that is the set C, and here is the 5 6 7 and 8. So the answer of A union B union C, that are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. This is the answer for A union B union C. Now the part number 6, that is A union B union D. Now we can write it as A union B, and now take the sign of union and then write the set D, and in set D we can write it as A union B. A union B we can find here. So 1 2 3 4, and here is the B 5 and 6, because 3 and 4 are common, so only one time we will write here. Now take the sign of union and then write the elements of set D, that are 7 8 9 10. 7 8 9 and 10. So the answer is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is the answer. Clear that? Now this is the part number 6. Now part number 7 is part number 7. Find the value of B union C union D. Okay, now we can write it as B union C and then write union of D. The value of B union C, we can find this 3 4 5 6 and 7 and 8. 7 8, and union D 7 8 9 10. So the answer is 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, because 7 and 8 these elements are common, so only one term we will write here, and other different elements can take it particular. Okay, so 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, these are the element of set B union C union D. So this is the answer. Clear that? Now we will go for the question number 5th. In question number 5th, find the intersection of each pair of sets of question 1 above. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट में जो हमारे पास पार्ट गिवन है उन सभी का इंटरसेक्शन फाइंड आउट करना है. सो यहां पर आपको राइट करना है फाइंड द इंटरसेक्शन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पार्ट यहां पर आपके पास है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th में x equals to, here is the element 3 1 3 5 and set y have a element 1 2 3. So we have to find the intersection. So the x intersection y, that's equal to, in x write the element of set x 1, 3 and 5. So take the sign of intersection. Now write the element of set Y that are 1, 2, 3. Now intersection means those elements which are common in both sets. So 1 and 3 are common in set X and Y. So the answer will be 1 and 3. Okay, this is the answer. Clear that? So the next part, that is the part number 2. In this part, there is given that set A have elements A, E, I, O and U, and the set B have elements A, B and C. Now we have to find A intersection B. That means write the all common elements which are matching in both set A and B. So in first set A, there is given that A, E, I, O, U, and take the sign of intersection. Now write the element of set B that are A, B and C. Now A is common, so the answer is A. This is the answer of part number 2. Now the part number 3. Here is given that set A equals to x such that x is a natural number and multiple of 3. That means set A में हमारे पास जो होंगे वो 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. And set B में हमारे पास जो एलिमेंट है वो है x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So natural number तो है but वो less than 6 है. तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have to find the value of A intersection B, that's equal to, in the place of set A there are the elements 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on, and take the sign of intersection. Then write the elements of set B that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we can check that 3 and 6 are the common elements. So there will be the answer 3 and 6. These elements are common. So this is the answer of part number 3. Now we can find the solution of part number 4. Part number 4. That is set A is given x such that x is a natural number and x is greater than 1 but less than 6. So the elements are 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And in set B there is given that x such that x is a natural number and x is greater than 6 but less than 7. So there will be element 7, 8, 9. Because less than 7 that is 9 and greater than 6 that is 7. So 7 and 9 are the element of set B. Now we have to find A intersection B, that's equal to, there is no common element. So that is 5. That is 5 because there is no element. Clear that? So here we can write 5. So the next part is part number 5. Set A is given 1, 2 and 3, and now set B here is 5. So the answer will be also 5. Okay, answer will be 5 because there is no common element. So this is the solution of question number 5. Now we can solve, and we will solve the question number 6. Okay, we will start question number 6. In the question number 6, there are some sets are given like A equals to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are the element of set A, and in set B 7, 9, 11 and 13. And another set is C. In set C, 11, 13 and 15 are the elements. And last set, that is D, have elements 15 and 17. Only two elements. So find the value of A intersection B. And part number 2, there is B intersection C. Part number 3, A intersection C intersection D. First, we will find these parts. So, in set A, there are the elements 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. And in set B are the elements 7, 9, 11 and 13. So, the common elements are 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11 are three elements which are present in set A and also in set B. So, there will be the answer 7, 9 and 11. Clear that? So this is the answer of part number first. But for the second part, there is set B, and in set B 7, 9, 11 and 13 are the elements. And take the intersection, then write the element of set C, that are 11, 13 and 15. Okay? So here is the 11 and 13 are common elements. So this will be the answer 11 and 13 because these elements are common in both sets. Okay? Now here is the A intersection C intersection D. So we can write it as A intersection C and then write the intersection of D. Okay? So the value of A intersection C, A is here and here. 11 is the common element only. Okay? So write here 11 and take the intersection and write the element of set D, that are 15 and 17. So we can check here there is no common element, so this will be 5. Clear that? Now we can go for the part number 4. In part number 4, we have to find A intersection C, and in part number 5, B intersection D, and in part number 6, A intersection of B union C. Okay, now A intersection C. So write the element of set A, that are 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. And now take the intersection and write the elements of set C, that are 11, 13 and 15. So the common element only is 11. So that will be the answer. Okay? And next is B intersection D. And the elements of set B, that are 7, 9, 11 and 13. And take the elements of set D, that are 15 and 17 only. So there is no common element. So we can write here 5 because no matching elements. But in this question there is different part from the previous part because there is two different signs. First for the intersection and second for the B union. So first we will find B union C. So B union C, that's equal to, here is the element of set B, that are 7, 9, 11 and 13, and then write the element of set C, that are 11, 13 and 15. So that's equal to 7, 9, 11 and 13, and 11 and 13 are the common elements. So only one time we will write here. So write the element 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Okay? So now we can find the A intersection of B union C. So A intersection of of B union C, that will be equal to element of set A, that are 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11, and the value of B union C, that is 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So the answer will be 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11 are the common elements. So right here 7, 9 and 11 are the common. So this will be the answer. So according to these examples and these parts, you will solve next part of these questions. Okay, because these parts is very similar to previous part, so you can do it. Okay, so we will meet in next video lecture with the question number 7. Okay, thank you.